In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a user ID in Salesforce. Whether you're a Salesforce administrator, developer, or just a curious user, knowing how to locate a user ID can be incredibly useful for managing accounts, troubleshooting issues, or integrating with other systems. Let's dive in and make this process as simple as possible. First, you'll want to begin by accessing the profile of the user whose ID you need. This can be done by clicking on the user's name or profile picture. These are usually visible throughout the Salesforce interface, whether you're in a dashboard, a list view, or a record detail page. Clicking on the name or picture will take you directly to the user's profile page. It's that easy. This step is essential since the user ID is tied to the profile page URL, which we'll explore next. Once you're on the user's profile page, the next step is to focus on the web browser's address bar. This might seem a bit technical, but it's quite straightforward. The address bar is the area at the top of your browser window where you see the URL. It's usually right below the tabs. By looking closely at the URL, you'll notice it contains a series of characters unique to that user. This is where the magic happens. Now, let's talk about extracting the user ID. In the URL, you're looking for a 15 or 18 character alphanumeric string. This string is typically located directly in the URL path. It might appear right after a slash or somewhere within the URL string, depending on how your Salesforce instance is set up. This string is the user ID you're after. It's what uniquely identifies the user within Salesforce, and it's crucial for performing various user-specific operations or integrations. A quick tip: if you're ever unsure about which part of the URL to focus on, remember that the user ID is always a distinct block of characters, separate from other elements in the URL. It stands out because of its length and format being purely alphanumeric. If you see a mix of letters and numbers in a continuous string, you've likely found it. This process is applicable across different Salesforce setups, whether you're using Salesforce Classic or Lightning Experience. Though the interface might look slightly different, the core steps remain the same. By familiarizing yourself with this method, you can easily retrieve user IDs whenever needed, saving you time and effort in your Salesforce tasks. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to find a user ID in Salesforce. This knowledge can empower you to better manage user accounts and facilitate smoother operations within your organization. Remember, if you ever need to find this information again, just revisit this guide and you'll be ready to go. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful Salesforce tips and tricks. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Happy Salesforcing!